Thank you, Mr. Mufareh. Since joining Gofounders, I noticed a change in me. With all the crises going on in the world, everyone I talk to are pretty much losing hope for the future. I noticed I'm not the same person I was since joining Gofounders a little over 2 years. Ash has inspired me, not only to have hope again, but having the belief that a small town girl can have her own business on her own. I knew nothing about running a business on my own. With daily reading of our blog, it has helped me realize that dream. I have many ideas going through my mind. With the help of Onpassive, I'll be able to achieve them. As Les Brown says, we're not chasing dreams, we're catching them. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, for being you. I love listening to you on the webinars and still hear the passion in your voice. You haven't changed since day one. And our wonderful tech team in India, for building our superior products and making everything come true for all of us. The Leadership Council and my fellow founders, for doing what you can, to spread the word of Onpassive. Love you all. Angela, Nycz, United States.